In this video, I'm going to teach you how to upload digital product to Stan Store. In order to do that, you first need to head over to their website, which is www.stan.store. Once you're in there, proceed to actually sign up by clicking onto this sign up option, or you can also click on this continue option in order to do so. So on my case, let me head over and then proceed to actually sign up. Now, you can also log in if you already have an account, so do take note of that. Now here is my actual Stan store. In order to upload a digital product, you can proceed to do so by going to your store and you can sell it right here. Click on this add product, choose right here digital product. Now this will open the digital product editor. You can make it a style for button, call out, or preview. I'll choose right here this call out. Now selecting here the image for that, adding here the text for the title, get my ebook now. For example, let's name it right there. Adding here the subtitle, the button, and after that, head over and click on next. Adding here the image, description, you can also generate your description body using AI. Now in here, once you scroll down to the very bottom, under the number 5, we can find the upload digital product. You can either upload a file by clicking on this upload, or you can also drag a file that you wish to add. For example, let's add in here this, and it will be added right there. Now you have the option to redirect your file, so click on this right here as well. Enter right here the file URL, the file name. Once you're done with this, click on this publish option, and you can proceed to publish this digital product to your Stan store. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video actually helped you out.